Hello and welcome to Magic Hair Company, located here in Culver City, California. We are open and we are here changing lives one custom wig at a time. Today we are doing the very popular requested video on U-part. So we're going to show you an inside look on these two textures here and the inside cap construction of our U-parts. The wig I currently have on is wig number 725. It's a 12-inch deep body wave, custom colored. Check out this beautiful color. You know, we specialize in doing custom coloring here at Magic Hair Company. We do have an in-store wig coloring specialist, so we really can create the wig of your dreams. Right here we have, if you're new to shopping with our channel, each wig that we have here in store, we have hundreds of wigs and they all have a 3-digit unit number. This U-part right here is an 18-inch U-part and the wig number is $7.99. So head on over to magichaircompany.com. I'll write that below. This is our website, magichaircompany.com. This wig right here, type in the 3-digit unit number in the search, and this is wig number 798. So type in wig number 798 and you will see this beautiful kinky straight wig here. U-part wigs are perfect for if you want to have your own hair out right here. So you see this lace? So your U-part wig will come with the lace like this, or we'll gladly cut it off for you. Inside, it's still nice and secure. There's combs here for security and you just attach those on, as well as this removable adjustable band right here. So all of this lace right here with no hair gets cut off and you just wear it like so, and you will just pull your own natural hair right here. So once this space right here gets cut, and I know it doesn't look that big right here with the lace, but once you cut it, this is the exact same wig. You can adjust it to fit as wide or as narrow as you would like. You just kind of adjust it and place it like so, and you'll have this beautiful, luscious hair. And yeah, it's perfect if you are a lady concerned about blending your natural hair. This is our very, very popular soft and luxurious kinky straight texture. You can flat iron it as well as curl it. Actually, I'll add some curls in right now, but this right here is our kinky straight texture. So get a close-up on how beautiful and soft this texture is. We have this available in clip-ins, closures, wigs, full lace, front lace, and U-parts. And then this is our beautiful Brazilian hair over here as well. Both of these textures can be styled and flat ironed, and I will just take a little piece right here to show you how easily we can style this for you. Now, with every wig purchase from Magic Hair Company, styling is included. So if you want us to add some curls, if you want us to add some bangs, not in our U-parts, but in our other lace wigs, we can add bangs for you. We can add some layers. We really can style it for you just how you want. If you have a special occasion and want us to add some curls, here you go right here. We can definitely add some curls. And also, before I flat iron this is our natural color here. So hopefully this picks up on the light, these beautiful different brown hues in here. So our hair does not have any color deposit on it. That's not the type of manufacturer that we use. That's another reason why our hair is such great quality, because we don't add chemicals and color to it, while our manufacturer doesn't. That's why our hair lasts so long, and we can color it for you right here in store. So if you want this beautiful kinky straight texture and you want some curls, you can definitely do that as well. The hair holds a beautiful curl just like this. And voila, you can easily style and curl this hair. You can do a little bit tighter curl if you want, but I just wanted to show you guys the U-parts available here at Magic Hair Company. So you see this lace is here, and we'll simply cut that off for you, whether you make your purchase here in store or online at magichaircompany.com, where it's the only place you can find our human hair, high quality, custom lace wigs. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, we do custom coloring. So if there's something that you want us to do, simply take a picture of it, screenshot it, and send it to us, and we will accommodate it for you here at Magic Hair Company. Our wigs are only available on our website, magichaircompany.com, and here in store. Like, follow, subscribe. Check us out, ladies and gentlemen. I can't wait to assist you with all of our wig needs. This is one of my summertime favorites, but we have hundreds of wigs for you guys to choose from. Don't forget to check out our beautiful hair care product line, which we're almost out of, but it will be available soon on the website. And don't forget to check out a U-part. Great, simple solution for ladies who want to pull their own natural hair out like so. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.